Hello, good morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to test the working or the efficiency of the newly purchased Pigeon 3 liter special outer lid. See here, this is the outer lid pressure cooker. So, what I'm going to test in this video exactly? The previous pressure cooker what I have been using for past 4 years, there is a leakage issue from here. That's the reason I purchased this, and I did an unboxing video. I already uploaded. What I'll do is I'll do post that link in the description so you can check it, and the price is for 600 rupees, somewhat close to 600 rupees. What we are going to test it now. So I'll be keeping this on the stove. One thing I'll be checking the amount of time it is taking for to make two whistles. Okay, two whistles I will test because two whistles is enough for me. And once I open this for two whistles, whether this dal is really cooked, means whether it became too soft or not, that is what I'm going to check, or it is taking more than two whistles. Usually I'll be keeping just for 2 minutes in the previous when I use the previous pressure cooker. And this Pigeon, what is this brand? Yeah, this Pigeon, as I newly purchased this, now I'm going to keep it on the stove and I'll test it. I'll mention the time also. Now I'm pausing this video. I'll calculate the time now, and I'll be also checking how efficiently it is doing the work. Yeah, I kept it on the flame on the stove, and it is mentioned one indication use on low flame only, and I too personally prefer low cooking only, so I'll be keeping in the sim position only. So I'll be counting the time from now on. Here the cooker already has one whistle and it is ready for the second whistle, and the time duration between when I switch on this flame on the gas stove is like 10 minutes before. So exactly at 10 minutes there was a first whistle and it is ready to go for the second whistle, and the flame is at sim only, sim in the sense the low flame only. So there's no what is this, spilling. There is no spilling out of any dal or something like this, the material inside. See here, it took like 12 minutes for two whistles, and I kept for third whistle also, so extra 2 minutes, totally 14 minutes. You can roughly count it as 15 minutes. And for 15 minutes for three whistles, I just leave it like this for the rest, for the pressure to completely go away from this pressure cooker. So I kept it away for 10 minutes. Now I'll try to open this lid. As this is a new pressure cooker, it is a bit tight. I'll be taking it out. Okay, see, for three whistles and 14 minutes of time, if you want to say approximately, this is the cooking level, and this is what exactly I want. So yeah, the initial preparation or the usage of this Pigeon pressure cooker 3 liter with outer lid is very good, and I want to show you this one. There is no leakage or spilling. As it is very brand, I need to test it for like at least 6 months. So after 6 months I'll be making a review video on that. If you want to if you want that review video, please do hit a like and comment your questions. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.